Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here. Today we're going to be addressing a code for a VW. It's the P0341 camshaft position sensor range performance. Okay, this is usually on the 2.0 turbo engines found in the Passat, the CC, the Tiguan, Jetta, 2.0 turbo. All right, and a lot of times that sensor, that code is not necessarily the sensor, but you can check it because these cars are known to jump timing with bad timing chain tensioners. I have videos on how to replace that. They're just known to jump like that, but this car runs okay. I mean, it doesn't start up right because it has a start up correctly because it has other issues, but getting back to that code, first thing you can do is there's going to be a cover here. You just take the cover off. The cam position sensor is right here. Okay, people think it's the one on the side. That's not. That's a solenoid. It's this one. Okay, easy thing to do. You can't check the sensor itself, but you can check the voltage to it. What you do is you squeeze it off. And a little note, this one has oil inside. I don't know if you can see the oil, but there's oil inside. So the sensor has to be replaced anyway. You can't have oil in there shorting out the contacts. That'll throw the light on too. Okay, if yours is clean, chances are it's not the sensor. What you're going to do with here, you see this has 3 wires. You're going to take a voltmeter with the engine, the key on, engine off. In other words, you put it where you see all the lights just before it starts. And you put a negative terminal here, positive terminal there, and you should have a reference voltage between 4.5 and 5.2 voltage, okay? Around 5 volts. If you got 5 volts, then we know that the computer is has the signal. Everything is fine with that, okay? Then if this is dry, you plug it back in, and what you're going to have to use is a scan tool. If you don't have a scan tool, you're going to have to... You're going to have to get it checked because it's probably going to be the timing, okay? The valve timing, normally like any other engines, I would say no, but this one's notorious. So it's kind of foolish not to just check that first. So you would have to get the valve timing, not ignition timing, the valve timing checked, okay? To make sure that the valve timing is on. And if the valve timing is on, and the wire over here is good, then you're going to have another issue, and you would have to diagnose it further. It could be a crank sensor problem, or the variable valve timing problem that can throw that code. It's possible, but this video is basically to check to see if this sensor has oil in it and if the plug has power. Okay, if it does, I don't want people to replace that for no reason because it really goes bad. All right, that was just a quick one. Motor Car Nut. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.